friends, I'm going to show you my keyboard. I'm currently using this keyboard. It's from Kludge, and I think it's the L75 keyboard model, and they have like 5 additional keys that we can customize using the software that Kludge have. And I'm currently using these 5 extra keys for text editor, and it's very efficient. I think it's helping me to write my blog. And yeah, who's reading a blog nowadays? But I like doing it, so I'm doing it for fun, but that's beside the point. So if you want to change it to other like shortcuts or keys, you can do that with this keyboard. Also, this one is a touchpad, so if you can see here, I can just touch it and something on my screen will happen. It depends on how you want to customize it. For mine, I customize it so I can just slide off all the windows that are open and show me the desktop. So I'm just going to show you how it goes like this. Yeah, just sliding and it's like appear and disappear. So that's what I customize it. And along with my keyboards, I also have this mouse that the colorways amazingly match the keyboard. It's from a different brand. It's called Rexus. I think it's the only Indonesian brand, and I don't know if they sell it overseas. But this one is inspired by low-free mouse that you can change the switch if it's like not working at some point, something like that. But that's also the reason why I choose this mouse, because I always have a mouse that's at some point it's not going to work, the switch. So I don't want to keep buying a new one, so I want the modular mouse that I can fix. And I think fixing things is really underrated. When I'm using my mouse or my keyboard, I have like a physical memory, so I don't want to change it to another form or shapes that I'm usually used to have. So that's a way to keep this mouse as long as I could. So one day we can pull this out, we can pull the keycaps out, and if there is something wrong with the batteries or with the switch inside it, I can just swap it to a new one and it's fixed. That's the reason. But yeah, again, I don't know if it's available in another country, because as far as I know, it's like an Indonesian brand, so it's only being sold in Indonesia. It's cheaper here. It's not even, so it's perhaps less than $50, I could say less than $20, so it's that cheap. But for this one, I think you can get this anywhere, because I know Kludge is like an international brand. They sell this keyboard anywhere. You can get it on Amazon or something like that. But yeah, I like my current setup, and it's amazingly looks like really the color is getting along pretty well. And yeah, this is my setup. I just want to show you that. Bye bye.